Hey ladies, it's me April and I have another manicure today. The polish that I'm going to be using is this one as my base. And it's called Less Wine, More Wine. Alright, so I am painting over my acrylic nails. I went ahead and put the sticky base from Glisten and Glow, and I just love the way this polish looks. It's just so pretty. It's like it's a very dark red, but yet it's bright red, kind of like a brick color. I just love it. And really all I did was just put one coat on all my nails. Alright, so here it is all painted. I really love it. I mean, I still need to do cleanup, right? But anyways, so this is the stamping plate that I'm going to be using. Creative Shop number 82, and I will be using these avocados on this side here. The stamper I'm going to be using is from Lantern and Wren. I got this from them a couple of weeks ago, a month ago maybe. And of course I'm using my handy black because it picks up very well. Look at that image. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and just put my top coat. I use I&M Out the Door because it's very flexible once you put it on your nail. The brown part, I just couldn't find my brown nail polish, so I'm just going to be using the acrylic paint, and I'm just going to be painting the seed of the avocado. And does anybody see the middle avocado and it looks like a butt? Why would they make it with that line there right in the middle? Is it just me, or did I notice the butt? Probably it was just me, but who knows? Anyway, let's keep going. So we're gonna go ahead and use the fancy gloss, and this is a pine tree. It's a very dark green. So I'm gonna be going ahead and paint the leaves and also kind of like around the avocado, so we can, have some kind of depth in there. Depth, not death. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, so here we are. We're still painting. So how was yours weekend? Your Easter weekend? How did it go? Mine was really great. We went ahead and went into the park. We had a bunch of family and friends over. It was really, really nice. It was a beautiful day. It was not hot. It was not cold. It was a very perfect temperature day. So it was really, really good. Kids popped those eggs, cracked the eggs. And we had about maybe 40 eggs. Anyway, the base color on this part here is Hike and Be Happy. I'm using this as the avocado center because it totally looks like an avocado cutter. Avocado color. What's going on, April? Anyway, so yeah, we're just painting the insides, and then I will go ahead and show you when I turn it around so you guys can see that it looks so cool. All right, guys, so here is the image turned around. Doesn't it look so cool? I love it. And you see the little butt too. Anyway, so this is the stamping plate I'm going to be using for writing or stamping the words Avocados de Mexico. So, yes, my plate is like super dirty. I had to clean it. I've been having a bad habit in not cleaning my plates after. So, yeah. Anyway, so I didn't show you guys every little detail on the stamping the words. I knew it was going to be it was going to be boring a little bit because all I'm doing is just scraping and placing the letter on my nail. So you do see, a couple of letters here and there that I put in, but I wasn't very detailed in this little spot here. As you noticed on avocado, I pretty much I ran out of space pretty much. And so I had to use a very tiny little S so I could put avocados. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I will go ahead and let you guys finish this video so you guys can, actually pay attention and not hear me, because I know I keep messing up. But I do appreciate everybody that has been watching my videos for these past 2 years, maybe a year and a half. And all the new subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you guys. You are awesome. Every single one of y'all. Just don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you want to share this video, that would be super awesome to all those avocado lovers. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and leave y'all. Thanks guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.